waking up. Back then when it was cold, I gave you warmth, even though I was freezing too. But I felt safe when you were comfortable. You understand so far, right? I'm the one who's always been here, keeping your heart from breaking. Let me explain a little about me and you, so the whole world will know. My stubbornness is just like yours. The way I get angry, the way I smile, like heartbeats tied together. My soul stays lit because of you. I'm still here until now, watching you stay strong with all your might. I'm ready before the rain comes. Whatever you need, I will give. Wherever you go, you will never find someone who prepares your supplies for the battle. If I'm not your equal, I forgive it. That's just how much I am for you. I still don't understand many things. Everything swims around inside my head, and you and all the things you know about it become the answers whenever I ask. Like heartbeats tied together, my soul